Welcome back. Welcome back to the Code with Kaleem. Now I'm going to start a very interesting series, Angular 18. And this, what I'm going to cover that you can see in this next slide, that we will cover all the topics of Angular, and in videos, in my all videos, we will also cover the interview question as well. And I will also tell you the real use of every topic with examples. At last, we will make our real project with Angular, and code will be available on the GitHub for every video. And we will upload project on live server as well. I will give you the demonstration on that as well. So I will really suggest you guys that please subscribe this channel if you want to get new videos, new text. This will be very interesting for the beginners and even for the experts as well, that they will, I believe they will able to get something new from it as well. So now let's jump to the real topic, and let's first start it from the that what is Angular. Angular is basically a front-end development framework. This is used to make single page application, and it is developed by Google. And this is not a language, it is just a kit, just like a Flutter is a software development kit. And it's the same thing, that it is used over a JavaScript. And if you want to make any application that we're going to achieve with the Angular, that will take a lot of time by use the JavaScript. So Angular make our life very easy. And so let me first give you the example of that, what is the single page application. So for instance, we have this angular.dev slash overview. If I click on the docs, it will just or tutorial, it will just open, and it just show that it is not reloading anything, right? So references and here, so this is basically a single page application, is loading everything instantly. So let me give you an other example, that what is the other in you, as you know that in a PHP application, in a PHP, that normally whenever we click on the contact us blog and blah blah, and it's take and start reload everything from the scratch. So it's not rebuilding in the single page application, we are not rebuilding everything. So let me give you an example of the other side, that how the old outdated websites that guys are making. So for instance, if I click on this world, that you can see here that it start reloading from scratch. So it's taking a lot of time if you just compare with the single page application. So if I click on the cricket here, it will again try to load everything from the server all the time, every time. So it's taking a lot of time. So this is the key difference between that is a key difference between single page application and the outdated application that you know. So now the next question is whether we can make single application only with this with the Angular. Now you can also make with by using the React and Vue as well. So I'm not going to cover the React and Vue in this tutorial. Of course, that is a separate discussion. In future, we will also cover the series of that one. I started to receive the request for those tutorial as well. So the next thing that regarding the Angular, this is basically MVC framework, and it is an open source. And for this, we use npm and command line interface. And the first release of Angular was on 14 September 2016 by Google. And the current version of Angular is 18.0. So I will really suggest you guys that don't be afraid while you look into the Angular code. Be confident and keep learning, and one day you will be rocked. So guys, now let me explain you some key differences that what the Angular 18 bring us for us. Same thing, that it's not a big change, it's not a big thing, that the Google is doing the come up with the new releases every 6 months for this. So for this in Angular 18, everything is not new, not some new features, some bug fixes, speed and other improvements. Mostly features are same such but the new things are such as a deferrable view, built-in control flow, enhanced server-side rendering, improved debugging experience through Angular dev tools. So what we are going to learn when you start watching my rest of the videos as well, that what you are going to learn. So that I will explain you that how to install, structure, basic MCV, advanced routing, API forms, projects, interview questions, and you know how to use the CS as well. So guys, I'm going to close this video for now, and let's see you guys again in the next session. So stay connected, stay tuned. Thanks for watching my video.